Welcome to my channel. To be honest, I am not a professional video editor, but I have a lot of experience in Amazon product reviews, which is incredibly helpful in finding exactly the product you want. If you are on the hunt for the best beach carts, you have come to the right place. I have compared the top models to help you make an informed decision. Product number 1. ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart with Wheels Foldable. Oh man, you guys, I am so stoked to be starting off this product review series with the most incredible, the most unbelievable, the most collapsible wagon cart with wheels that I've ever laid eyes on. The ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart with Wheels Foldable. I mean, just listen to that name. It says it all, right? This thing is like a portable storage solution, a gardening cart, a camping companion, all rolled into one. And trust me, it's a game changer. With over 4,947 verified reviews and an insane 4.5 out of 5-star rating, people just can't get enough of this thing. And honestly, I don't blame them. It's like, wow, a cart that folds down to a tiny little package, so you can store it away in your garage, in your shed, or even in the trunk of your car, and then just unfold it, and you've got a full-fledged cart ready to go. Look, this thing is sturdy, it's reliable, and it's just so darn easy to use. I mean, have you ever tried to lug around a bunch of heavy stuff with a flimsy old cart? No way. This thing's got it where it counts, with its durable materials, its adjustable handle, and its smooth rolling wheels. It's just, a total win all around. And the best part? You can get your hands on it right now, with active discounts available if you check the link in the description below. So don't wait. Get ready to take your storage and mobility game to the next level with the ROSONG Collapsible Wagon Cart with Wheels Foldable. It's a decision you won't regret. Product number 2. BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach. So, I just took a look at this amazing outdoor picnic set and, honestly, I'm loving it so far. But now it's time to dive into the BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach, which is essentially a portable beach cart that you can use to carry all your beach essentials, from towels to sunscreen to umbrellas, making it super convenient to set up your perfect beach day. And trust me, I'm excited to show you around this product. It's got a sturdy steel frame, a large storage basket, and even a comfortable handle that makes it easy to maneuver. And the best part is, it's incredibly easy to fold and unfold, which is perfect for storing it away when you're not using it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it worth the hype? Well, let me tell you, this thing has gotten an insane number of reviews, over 3,916 verified reviews to be exact, and the average rating is an impressive 4.5 out of 5 stars, which is just, wow. It's clear that people love this product as much as I do. Look, I'm not saying it's perfect, but BEAU JARDIN has done an amazing job designing this beach cart to be both functional and stylish, and I think it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a portable beach cart. So, if you're as excited as I am about the BEAU JARDIN Folding Push and Pull Beach, be sure to check out the link in the description below for any active discounts. And let me know in the comments if you've got any other beach essentials that I should be checking out next. Product number 3. MacSports Heavy Duty Collapsible Folding All. Here I go with the next product on our list, and I am genuinely excited to share it with you all, the MacSports Heavy Duty Collapsible Folding All, which I have to say, is quite a mouthful, but trust me, it's worth it. So what exactly is this thing, you might ask? Well, it's essentially a heavy-duty, ultra-versatile outdoor storage and seating solution that you can, literally, take anywhere, set up in seconds, and then fold back up when you're done. And I mean anywhere, folks. It's got a sturdy steel frame, a waterproof canopy, and multiple pockets for storing all sorts of gear, from beach towels to camping equipment, and even serves as a convenient bench when you need a place to sit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing any good? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. with an impressive 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 3,792 verified reviews, which, honestly, is just incredible. I mean, when that many people can't be wrong, wow. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, easy-to-use, and ultra-convenient outdoor storage solution that'll make your life so much easier, then this is the product for you. Look, I know it's not the cheapest option out there, but trust me, it's worth every penny. And as a matter of fact, I've got a link in the description below that'll give you access to some amazing discounts, so be sure to check it out and see what kind of deals you can snag. Product number 4. Navatiee 260L Beach Wagon with Extended Tailgate. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. I am stoked to be sharing with you my latest find that's taken our beach trips to the next level, and honestly, it's a total game changer. Introducing the Navatiee 260L Beach Wagon with Extended Tailgate, a massive, seriously impressive hauler that's not just for the beach, but also perfect for camping trips, pool parties, or even just running errands around town. Look, this thing is huge, folks. It's got a massive 260-liter capacity that can fit all your essentials, from beach towels to coolers, and even a few unexpected extras. Trust me, it's a lifesaver. And let me tell you, the build quality on this thing is top-notch, durable, sturdy, and built to last. But don't just take my word for it, this thing's got an insane 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 3,433 verified reviews. That's right, guys. This thing's been tried, tested, and loved by thousands of people just like you. Wow, I'm genuinely impressed by the sheer number of happy customers out there, and I think you will be too once you see it in action. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this thing's a bit of an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. So, if you're as excited as I am to get your hands on this incredible beach wagon, be sure to check the link in the description below for active discounts. I've got some amazing deals lined up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Product number 5. Blomoba Folding Wagon Cart with Wheels. Now that I've got our hands on this incredible all-in-one outdoor storage system, I'm excited to move on to the Blomoba Folding Wagon Cart with Wheels, a game changer for anyone who loves spending time outdoors, camping, or just needs a reliable way to transport heavy loads around the house. Honestly, I've seen some pretty amazing products in my time reviewing, but this one's got me stoked, trust me. So what exactly is it? Well, it's essentially a sturdy, foldable cart with 4 big, durable wheels that can handle just about anything you throw at it, from luggage to camping gear, groceries, to gardening supplies, you name it. And let me tell you, this thing is built to last. I mean, just check out that 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 3,071 verified reviews. Wow, that's just incredible. People are raving about its stability, ease of use, and the fact that it folds up so compactly it's like it's not even there when you need to stash it away. I mean, can you imagine being able to just whip this out of your trunk or closet and have it ready to go in seconds? It's seriously a lifesaver for anyone who's ever had to wrestle with heavy bags or struggle to carry multiple items at once. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this thing worth the investment? Trust me, it absolutely is. Look, check out the link in the description for active discounts, and see for yourself what all the fuss is about. I'm telling you, this Blomoba Folding Wagon Cart with Wheels is about to change the way you do outdoor stuff for good.